Not a fan of roller coasters but still want a wild ride? Just live on Earth. Our planet shakes thousands of times a year, and here's why. Earthquakes happen when huge pieces of Earth's crust, called tectonic plates, grind and slip past each other. Most of these quakes are way too small for us to feel, but sometimes they can be powerful enough to shake cities. The Ring of Fire around the Pacific Ocean is the most active area. Think Japan, California, and Chile. Fun fact: the biggest earthquake ever recorded measured 9.5 on the Richter scale in Chile, 1960. Scientists use seismographs to spot and measure every little shake. So, next time you feel the ground tremble, remember, you're feeling one of Earth's 14,000 yearly reminders that our planet is always moving.